Hello children, welcome to your maths class. Today we will discuss about division of large numbers. Division is a short form of repeated subtraction. If we have to subtract same number again and again from a given number, instead of subtracting it repeatedly, we divide those numbers. Before starting with division of numbers, let's discuss the properties of division. These makes our calculations more easier. When a number is divided by 1, the result is number itself. For example, 5832 divided by 1 is equal to 5832. When 0 is divided by any number, the result is always 0. Example, 0 divided by 481, the answer is 0. No matter how big the divisor is, the answer will always be 0. Any number divided by itself, the result is always 1. For example, 9342 divided by 9342 is equal to 1. Let's know some terms related to division. The number which we are dividing is called dividend. The number by which we are dividing is called divisor. After dividing, the number which we get, that is called quotient, and whatever is left in the end, that is called remainder. In this case, it is 3. Division by 10, 100, 1000. These divisions we can do mentally. Let's understand within examples. 7392 divided by 10. In this case, 10 is having 1 0. In the dividend, we will count from ones place and one digit and put a line. Like this. Now, the number before the line is our quotient and the number after the line is our remainder. So, our quotient is 739 and remainder is 2. Here, 6291 is being divided by 100. Now, 100 carries 2 zeros. So, we count 2 digits from ones place, 1 and 2, and draw a line between 2 and 9. Like this. Now, our quotient is 62 and remainder is 91. Another example, division by 1000. 1000 carries 3 zeros. In this case, we will count 3 digits from ones place, 1, 2, 3, and put a line that is between 5 and 2. Like this. So, our quotient is 65 and remainder is 280. Let's check out now long division of 5-digit number by 2-digit. Here, 67,210 is being divided by 55. As divisor is of 2 digits, so we take 2 digits here also, that is 67. We write the table of 55 in the rough up to certain numbers. Like this, 55 ones are 55, 55 twos are 110, 55 threes are 165. Now we see 67. 55 twos is 110, which is clearly bigger than 67. So we go by this number. 55 ones are 55. Subtracting these two numbers, we get the answer as 12. And we bring down 2 from here. Now we have the number 122 to be divided. Again going towards the table, 55 ones are 55, 55 twos are 110, 55 threes are 165. 165 is bigger than 122, so we cannot write this here. We choose this. So 55 twos are 110. Subtract these numbers. And we got the answer as 12. Now we bring the next number down. We have now 121. Again, 121 will go with this number only, as 165 is bigger. 55 twos are 110. Now, subtracting these, we get the answer 110. We get the answer as 111. And we bring down 0. Here, now we have 110. Again, this will go at 2. 55 twos are 110. And the remainder now we got in the end is 0, and we don't have any number to bring down also. So, our final answer is, quotient is 1222 and remainder is 0. Let's look at more example, which is a little bigger number, that is 6-digit number by 3-digit. Here, this number is being divided by 158. So we write the table of 158 up to a certain level, right? 158, as it is a 3-digit number, so we take 3-digit here. 158 twos are 316, which cannot come under 208. So we take 1 and 158. Subtracting the numbers, we got 50 and we copy down 0. 158 threes are 474. Subtracting these, we get 26 and we bring down 8. 158 ones are 158. Subtracting these, we get 110 and we bring down 6. Now we have number 1106, which exactly goes at 7. 158 sevens are 1106 and the remainder is 0. So our quotient is 1317 and remainder is 0. Keywords related to division. Whenever there is a word problem, in that case, we look for some keywords to understand whether we have to divide, multiply, add or subtract. For division, the words are divide, equally, share, each, grouped, number. Now, sometimes you cannot see any of these words in the word problem. In that case, we just find that when we are finding any number from many to one thing, a detail of many things is given and we are asked to find the detail of one thing. In that case, we divide. Let's look at the example. Cost of 25 steel almirah is rupees 9,750. What is the cost of each almirah? Here the word each is there, right? So we know that we have to divide. Here, writing the statements, cost of 25 almirahs, that is 9,750, cost of one almirah, and we find out 9,750 divided by 25. Here is the division. 25 and 97. 25 threes are 75. We get the number 22 after subtracting. Copy down 5. 25 nines are 225. 0. And we again copy down the next 0. 25 zeros are 0 and we subtract to get 0. Remember, whenever we copy any number down, we have to divide it once, even if we have to divide it by 0. So, the cost of each almirah is rupees 390. Hope the concept is clear to you. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Do practice sums and you will master the concept. Thank you.